Why do 70% of first-time buyers aspire to own multiple properties? Because real estate isn't just about owning a home. It's about building a future. Buying your first home is a huge milestone, but it's just the beginning. Level up your home ownership. We're here to empower you every step of the way. We'll guide you with honest advice, smart strategies, and support that's tailor-fit to your goals. And the best part, we don't stop at possession day. Our mission is to help you grow from a proud homeowner to a successful real estate investor. Imagine leveraging the equity in your first home to buy your second property, or even creating generational wealth for your family. With access to our team of mortgage experts, renovation professionals, and property investment insights, you're not just buying a house, you're starting a roadmap to financial freedom. So let's turn your first purchase into your first win in real estate. Ready to level up? Contact us today and let's build your future together. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, or in this case, your first home purchase. Let's make it count.